Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the USB socket multiple plug. It's a socket adapter with two USB chargers plus one Type-C port. It's a wall power strip with child safety lock and night light. This is an all-in-one box, as you can see, and it's really easy to use because the only thing you have to do, you have to install this on your socket at your house, in your garden, in your living room, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, where you like. But it's not waterproof, okay? Take care of it. And there is more. There's a plate included. On this plate you can let rest your smartphone, for example, while it is recharging, or you can rest there any other things which needs power by using USB ports, or you make a picture on it or an other device with a socket or with a USB-C or a USB connection. This power strip USB socket has multiple sockets with two USB chargers and one USB-C port, an LED night light on top, and a removable stable shelf. AC socket rate power is 2500 watt. Maximum 250 voltage with 160 ampere. This is enough for a bunch of devices. Here you can see this device powers one lamp and three devices, one iPad Pro, one iPhone, and one GoPro. For example, of course, you can dock there what you like, and of course, into the USB-C or USB ports, USB-A ports matches devices. Oh yeah. Because we have two USB Universal Serial Bus A plus and USB Universal Serial Bus C ports. The USB-C output comes with 5 volt, 3.1 ampere and 18 watt. The USB-C charging cable for the connected Type-C output to charge our smartphones. In this video, I will show you how to reload your iPad Pro with that socket, and you can see it works. Job's done. Yeah. You can also recharge your Samsung smartphones, your iPhones, or other devices with it. The main USB outputs, the two of them, and each will come with 5 volt, 2.4 ampere, 12 watt. And the two USB-A ports can be used for everyday use because this makes your standard socket to a smart or additional socket because it is a hub after it. It is a hub for two USB and one USB-C devices, and not enough. You can also use a socket and a light. The light is be switched on and off by using your fingers because there is a touch button onto it. It's attached on the device itself. And you can see I docked the socket with the power supply, and it works with the main lamp on the floor. Really awesome. That's smart, I think. And of course there is a tablet on it, as you can see. This tablet you can easily connect and reconnect and reattach and attach it. That's what you like. And there's more because there are two lines for your cables, and these two areas can prevent your cables from dipping onto the ground where maybe your vacuum cleaner is moving there. For this, I think it's a really good idea. And it's for cable management on your desktop, of course. If you have a desktop and there is so much cable on it, you can use this cable management system on this wall socket. We have 2500 watt power, 10 ampere. This is the main wall socket. The wall socket with removable stable shelf. The length is 11 centimeters. The width is 8 centimeters. It's enough space for a smartphone on it. For example, you are in the bathroom and you are cleaning your teeth, okay? While you're cleaning your teeth, you can watch podcasts because you're using this removable stable shelf. That's godlike, really. The third protection socket creates plenty of space for organizing mathy cables and lifting cables. The socket extension for any area to create a charging station for any smartphone, iPad, lamps, electric toothbrush, hair dryers, Alexa, etc., etc., etc. You hear and you can see it's really a multi-talent. You can use it for the entire family of USB recharging devices out there. And if you only have one socket there, you can extend it by using this wall socket. And we have a multiple socket with LED light. This light is a built-in light. The light is activated by touching. If we long touch after the induction zone approximately 5 seconds, the brightness can be continuously dimmed, decrease or increase. But I think it's good because so you have a nice light too. So there's more. You have a light, you have a socket, you have 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. Wow. And a tablet. Oh, yeah. Or a board. It's a board, okay? That's really awesome, I think. Because it's a multiple socket with LED light. It's a 4-in-1 socket adapter. This power strip is perfect for powering most of our electrical appliances and allowing easy cable management. And it's so easy. Really, you can see it works, and it works really good. And of course, there is overconsumption protection. Then there is an ampere fuse into it. That means there is a fuse for safety, and it's CE and RoHS certified. The dimensions are 11.5 centimeters to 8 centimeters of the plate, 11 centimeters to 5.5 centimeters of the socket, and the thickness is 4 centimeters, so you can use it for travel, for office and home use. Before, it was only a socket area, but after it is more managed. With this multiple socket device. It's awesome for kitchen, living room, bathroom, and all the entire other rooms you have at home. And if there is a socket, you can gain up your socket a little bit more with this USB socket multiple plug. It's a socket adapter with 2 USB ports and more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.